welcome to Tala Dalal show, and today we are cooking Mangalorean rasam. Yes, actually, आज मैं बस सिखाने वाली हूँ कि how are we using coconut oil in our kitchen. This is the melange coconut oil which I have been selling on my Instagram page. We use it in our house while for cooking. My husband's family is a Mangalorean family, and coconut oil is used very much in a Mangalorean house, in a Mangalorean kitchen. So I'll show you how we use it. चलिए. So in Mangalorean rasam, the important thing is छोका किसका डालता है. तो the only oil that they use is coconut oil while putting the chalk. I forgot the English term for it. Sorry. So we use so much of coconut oil. You all can see how pure it is and how white. Itna sa coconut oil is enough, and we add mustard seeds. As it starts splattering, okay, one more spoon of it. ये कम हो गया. And once it starts splattering, we will add. I have already washed and kept curry leaves and green chili slit into pieces. So I will add that here. Wow, I can smell the coconut oil here. The smell is like we can say that how pure it is because the smell is so coconutty. And once it's done, we put it in the rasam and add certain other things like rasam powder and tamarind pulp, and it will be ready to serve. Wow, I love this smell.